The most important imaging product Xiaomi has launched in recent years has to be the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Special Edition. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And just to set expectations right away, this isn't really a phone, it's a camera. The outer seal features Xiaomi's signature orange logo alongside Leica's iconic red mark. Yes, a Leica camera. And we all know Leica has produced countless legendary camera models, each one carrying a serious price tag. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Once you break the seal, you'll notice that both the waist seal and the main display area carry the dual branding. Open it again and the Xiaomi and Leica logos sit perfectly aligned on the same line. This feels like the second chapter of Xiaomi and Leica's imaging journey, one that's clearly about going back to what a camera is meant to be. Beneath that, you'll find the signatures of the heads of both companies, adding a strong sense of ritual to the unboxing. Inside, there's the camera itself, placed on a paper backing board that's clearly designed with environmental considerations in mind. The accessories are laid out neatly, very much like what you'd expect from a traditional camera box. Along with the charger and protective case, you also get essential lens protection accessories. Now, let's take it out. Holding it horizontally, the first thing you notice is the size. It's much smaller than most Leica cameras, which makes it easy to use with just one hand. For something designed like a camera, the screen is impressively large. Moving to the side grip, the entire side is made of metal with a finely frosted, non-slip finish that feels premium. The illuminated Leica branding isn't just there for looks either. The textured grip feels excellent in the hand and offers solid stability when shooting horizontally. The opposite side feels just as sturdy, and the buttons and circular controls are exactly what you'd expect from a real camera. Shifting focus to the lens area, it's worth emphasizing again that this is presented as a standard Leica camera. The red and white Leica logo looks outstanding, and importantly, it's not a sticker. The silver Leica logo on top appears sharp and slightly raised, almost floating above the circular emblem. The overall design sticks closely to classic Leica styling, especially in the way materials are combined. The lower section has a smooth, tactile texture, while the upper portion uses a matte finish. Add the Xiaomi logo into the mix, and you'll notice that the lens bump isn't overly aggressive. Honestly, it could have been more pronounced, but that's not really the point. Think of this as a Leica camera that's simply easier to carry around. And here's something important. Choosing whether or not to use an iconic logo like this carries very different meaning. It represents full brand recognition and deep collaboration, right down to joint R&D. Some people might say, it's just a Leica logo, does it really matter? But remember, people buy Leica cameras for a reason. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is being treated as a Leica camera, because the entire device is designed around a camera-first philosophy. Your hand naturally settles into the textured frame. Holding it with both hands feels ceremonial, almost like you're using a traditional camera. Your fingers also grip the leather-textured lower section comfortably, which means you get a great shooting experience even without attaching extra camera accessories. What really stands out is how the camera encourages two-handed operation. One hand naturally rotates the lens for quick adjustments, and this ring isn't just decorative, it actually works like a real camera lens. When you power on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition, all the UI icons adopt a camera-inspired style, and even the camera app icon features the Leica logo. Open it up and you'll see continuous optical zoom from 75mm to 100mm, all handled by the same lens. In the past, this kind of adjustment required fiddling with on-screen controls, which never felt very camera-like. Experienced photographers instinctively reach for a zoom ring, and now that instinct finally makes sense here. As you rotate the ring, the device responds with subtle vibrations that perfectly match the continuous zoom movement. You can adjust zoom with one hand while tweaking other settings with the other, and the efficiency is incredibly satisfying. The rotation feels smooth, and the haptic feedback closely mimics the sensation of turning a real optical lens. Honestly, it's impressive how well they've pulled this off. On top of that, this zoom ring actually does more than what you'd get on a traditional camera lens. Within the system, rotating it can instantly launch the camera or even trigger the shutter. Beyond basic zooming, the ring can also be assigned to adjust EV or switch filters while recording video. It supports smooth, stepless, continuous zoom as well as direct focal length jumps. Depending on the shooting mode, you can swap between different zoom ring functions, which really shows how carefully this was thought out. You can even decide whether the ring rotates clockwise or counterclockwise. The zoom ring also works as a quick shortcut. In the default setting, if you want to take a photo, there's no need to open the camera app at all. Just pick up the device, twist the ring back and forth, and you're instantly dropped into the shooting interface. That entire flow genuinely feels like using a real camera. Try it yourself. Grab it, rotate the ring, and you're ready to shoot. It even works as a compact everyday carry device. Interestingly, even when the phone is powered off, rotating the ring still produces a subtle vibration, which is oddly satisfying and surprisingly good for stress relief. When it comes to the camera experience itself, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition is clearly different from the standard Ultra. The focal length selector has been redesigned, changing from a circular layout to a rounded rectangle, making the interface feel much more camera-like. The filter options on the right side are now entirely in English. But the most important upgrade here is the seamless Leica zoom, which is the biggest distinction compared to the regular Ultra. It also includes two Leica camera simulations, Leica M9 and Leica M3. The interface is intentionally minimal, focusing only on focal length selection and EV adjustment. The Leica simulator even supports cloud-based post-processing to further enhance detail. We'll show you some sample photos taken using the Leica simulator. Let us know what you think of the results. Beyond photography, this device is strong in other areas too. It supports both Tiantong and Beidou satellite communication. And of course, it comes with all the features you'd expect from a Xiaomi flagship. Now let's move on to the accessories. The official protective case feels excellent in hand. Honestly, it was like Xiaomi designed two different cases. This protective case doesn't have the textured frame. Instead, it's fully wrapped in vegan leather, and the grip feels very comfortable. The included cleaning cloth immediately stands out. Yes, it has a Leica logo on it. Authentic Leica cleaning cloths aren't cheap, and this one feels like a nano-textured fabric with an incredibly fine finish. The wrist strap from the professional camera kit is also well done, with a black and red color scheme that looks great. And finally, the most important accessory, take a close look. That's right, it's a metal Leica lens cap, the kind many experienced photographers dream of owning. Flip it over and the flocked interior feels extremely soft and refined. It's seriously tempting. You could just comment that vibe below. So did I really trick you when I said this was a camera? This is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Special Edition. From the hardware to the software, from the system experience to the accessories, I honestly think this is the most distinctive collaboration Xiaomi has delivered in recent years. And remember, this was jointly developed from the ground up. Whether it's the design, the sense of ceremony, or the final execution, it all feels spot on. Like they say, you get what you pay for. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.